Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video I am going to be sharing the ultimate mask for all your skincare needs, especially if you have acne prone skin like me. This mask is 100% natural ingredients. It is effective, simple and quick to make as usual, and you probably have all the ingredients at home already. Mask will help fight acne and prevent further breakouts. It is also very good for dark spots, acne scars and hyperpigmentation. Stay tuned, watch this video till the end. This may be just what your skin needs. The mask is antibacterial, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and it is also packed with antioxidants. It has natural healing and brightening properties, and it will gently exfoliate the skin and unclog your pores. It is also super hydrating and it promotes skin elasticity. We're going to start with 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder in a bowl, and then 1 egg yolk, just the yolk, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Clean your face first before you apply the mask. Leave the mask on for 20 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. When you're done rinsing your face, go in with your toner and then your moisturizer. Thank you so much for watching this video, especially if you did watch it until the end. And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below and share. That's it for today. Have yourselves a nice time.